Namaste friends. Hope you are alright by the grace of Almighty. Friends, today we will talk about digestive problem. Rumbling in the stomach. Causes, signs, symptoms and pathophysiology and homeopathic medicines. Rumbling in the stomach, medically called Borborygmi, refers to the gurgling, growling or rumbling sounds produced by the movement of gas, liquids and food through the stomach and intestine. It is usually a normal physiological process but may sometimes indicate digestive disorder. Main causes are hunger and empty stomach, normal digestion, increased intestinal activity after meals, swallowing excess air while eating. Dietary causes: excess consumption of beans, cabbage, onions, carbonated drinks, fatty and spicy foods, excessive tea, coffee and alcohol. Gastrointestinal disorder: indigestion, gastritis, gastroenteritis, irritable bowel syndrome, which is IBS, food intolerance, lactose intolerance, gluten sensitivity, intense infection, malabsorption syndrome. Other causes are anxiety and stress, side effects of medications, intestinal obstructions, rare but serious. Parasitic infestations. Signs and symptoms are audible gurgling or rumbling sounds you can hear, sensation of movement inside the abdomen, excessive gas, flatulence, bloating, mild abdominal discomfort, frequent belching. Associated symptoms are diarrhea, constipation, nausea, indigestion, abdominal cramps, and loss of appetite ultimately. Red line symptoms are severe abdominal pain, persistent vomiting, blood in stool, significant weight loss, high fever, abdominal distension. These symptoms require immediate medical evaluation. Pathophysiology. Normally the stomach and intestine undergoes rhythmic muscular contractions called peristalsis, which moves food and digestive fluid through the gastrointestinal tract. When the stomach is empty, a strong contraction occurs, producing hunger sound. Excess gas accumulations in the intestine, movement of gas through narrowed intestinal loops creates rumbling noises. And infestations or IBS, intestinal motility increases, causing louder bowel sounds. In malabsorption disorder, undigested food undergoes fermentations by intestinal bacteria, producing excessive gas and rumbling. Thus, Borborygmi results from the interaction of intestinal muscles, contractions, gas movement, and liquid contents within the bowel. Friends, now we will see what are the best homeopathic medicines. Lycopodium clavatum. Lycopodium clavatum is indicated if there is excessive bloating after eating small quantities, much gas in lower abdomen, loud rumbling. Symptoms become more between 4 to 8 pm. Our second medicine is Lycopodium, indicated excessive flatulence, distended abdomen, frequent belching, relief after passing gas. Then third medicine is China officinalis, that is called Cinchona also. China officinalis indicated in case abdominal bloating from gas, rumbling after eating fruits, weakness after diarrhea. China officinalis. Nux vomica. Friends, nux vomica is indicated if indigestion from overeating, spicy food, alcohol, coffee excess, cramping and rumbling, constipation with ineffectual urging. Then fifth medicine is pulsatilla. Pulsatilla is indicated in case digestive disturbance after rich or fatty foods, rumbling with loose stool, thirstlessness. Then sixth medicine is coming asafoetida. Asafoetida is indicated if excessive gas, moving upwards, loud intestinal noises, hysterical and nervous patients. Argentum nitricum. Friends, argentum nitricum is indicated in rumbling associated with anxiety. If anxiety is also there and rumbling is associated, then argentum nitricum is the best medicine. Diarrhea from anticipation or nervousness, marked bloating. Then our eighth medicine is L-Socotrina, one of the best remedy. Loud gurgling before stool, urgent diarrhea, much gas and abdominal fullness. And it is best indicated for the peristalsis movement. Cholesynthesis. Indications are rumbling with severe abdominal cramps, relieved by bending double in the front, colicky pain. Podophyllum, 10th medicine. Podophyllum is indicated in case rumbling followed by profuse diarrhea, early morning stools, gurgling in intestine. Nosors and sarcodes, sometimes considered by homeopaths, we doctors. Morgan puree, Bacillus number 7, Gartner and bowel nosors preparation. Then gastric sarcode is there, ventriculinum. Selection should be based on the individual totality of symptoms, picture and professional homeopathic assessment, that is both mind and physical symptoms. Dietary advice: eat slowly and chew food properly. Avoid excessive carbonated drinks. Limit gas forming foods if they are trigger symptoms. Drink adequate water. Manage stress and anxiety. Maintain regular meals timing. 10 o'clock means 10 o'clock. Night 8 to 9 am and walk little bit. Rumbling in the stomach is usually a harmless consequences of normal intestinal activity, hunger or gas movement. However, persistent symptoms accompanied by pain, weight loss, vomiting, fever or blood in stool requires prompt medical investigations. Homeopathic remedies such as Lycopodium, Carbovage, Nux vomica, Pulsatilla and aloes are commonly selected according to the individual symptoms pattern. Friends, I do not hope but I believe that you will like this video, share it and subscribe the channel. For your betterment, this is for awareness. Thank you. Long live homeopathy, long live Hanuman.